So now, just to explain that we have this drop-down menu, I will move to another, I would say, chart, just to explain how these data are computed. Because basically, when you do your forecast, you want to improve them according to specific lead time, okay? Because you're taking action based on them. Most of the time, you want to place some orders to your suppliers, or it will really your production. So you need to make sure, for example, if you need 3 months to order your raw material to specific suppliers, you want to improve your forecast accuracy for this particular 3 months lead time, because this is when you place your order. So here in this table, actually, I'm displaying several forecasts on the left. Okay, so we had the forecast that was actually in February, computed in February with the data from January. We have one in March, computed from the last data available in February, one from April, and so on, so long till July. And so you can see the forecast from February, okay, here, this line. You can see the one from March, and you can see the one from April, okay. And here, actually, when we move forward, I mean, regarding the time, you can see that we are able to collect the real data, and the real data was 32. Here it was 36 for February. Here it was 42 for March. Okay. So when we compare the actuals, okay, we'll compare the red lines against one data which is coming from a specific forecast. So if you're interested to improve your forecast accuracy for a particular lead time of 2 months, basically you should focus on lag 2. Okay. And the data coming from lag 2, as you can see, we take them in this particular area. So we'll compare June, we'll take 70. For May, we'll compare with 60. And for April, we'll compare with 45. So this is something which is not that easy to do, and actually very complex to do in Excel if you want to give it a try. Even when we developed this feature, you know, it took us a very long time to make sure we had a nice specification and we were able to do it properly. But basically, this is what you can do when you now move back to the tool. And if you select this particular drop-down menu, you will recompute this table according to a specific lead time. Okay. So if I compute it for a lead time of 2 months, of course, I have less data to compare, but you can see for every period which is available and the historical archive that I host in the account, you can see that we have, for example, the accuracy for lag 2, which is 74%. Okay. If I have lag 1, well, I'm still at 74, but I lag 3. Okay, I've lost 1%, 73. Or here we just have one period, so it's not very relevant. But you can see that the accuracy is moving depending on how you change this particular lead time or the lag. Okay, so this is really how this is working, and this is a convenient way to access this data. We also provide a way, and if you follow all the advice from Nicolas, you also know that he recommends to track the information not only in units but also in financial value. Okay, so what I'm going to show you now is how you can access this data at an aggregate level as well. Okay, so here you see, so similarly, I can disaggregate the data, and I can access this table for all my items. So if I want to see, let's say, the accuracy in percentage, so I can see it. I can filter based on percentage. Okay, you can, I mean, look for it for a specific lag. Okay, so you see, I'm recomputing, the tool automatically recompute the table. Sorry. And if you want to see the error in terms of units, so you can see here in terms of units, but you also have the ability, okay, if you have your financial data also in the system, to see it in terms of revenue.